Hello everybody, my name is Dr. John Oda, and thank you so much for going to the next level of your business. So I'm really excited. So let me explain to you about this next phone call. What it's called is the Business Breakthrough Session. And in this session, I'm going to show you guys of how to make between $10,000 to $100,000 net profit in your business, guaranteed. So let me explain to you why they call me the ultimate business growth strategist. So here's the reason why. I'm blessed to have 36 years of clinical psychology. I've worked with literally any disorder that you can actually imagine. I've also had the honor and privilege of partnershiping with some of the best business minds in the world for almost a decade. You know, these people were like Tony Robbins and the late Chet Holmes and Jay Abraham and Scott Hallman and Keith Cunningham and Gary Vee, and the list goes on. Here's what I do. Here's what I do know. And here's what I did. I modeled what they were doing. I'm a modeler. So I modeled their proven concepts to grow a company, to grow businesses. And what I did was I applied it in my business. Applied it in all the 3,000 medical practices that I worked with. And what took place, the system worked because it was proven. So as you can probably see my testimonies, I grew this company 1,500%, 400% net profit. The list goes on. Here's my theory. Business is easy. People make it hard, right? But here's what I do know. Here's what I do know. You, like me, want to grow your business to that next level. Most medical practices work in their business, not on their business. I'm going to show you of how to go further faster so you can actually create success in your business. So let me explain to you why I picked medical practices. My mother was a nurse. She passed away a couple years ago. She was a registered nurse. And she worked for a doctor office. And the doctor office was thriving. At first, it was not doing so well. He did some changes and it was just thriving. And here's what I do know about doctors. You doctors are amazing. You guys are amazing in your craft. But then you're amazing in your craft, but then you open up a business. And then it's a little bit different. Now you have to figure out the front office, the back office. Hire the right office manager, hire the right staff, management operations. If you guys are doing sales, like if it's plastic surgeon or dental or orthodontics or chiropractor, sales now, right? So you have to do a whole lot of different stuff. Some of you guys are gifted and you guys know bits and pieces, but you don't know it all. That's where I come in, right? My number one goal is to show you how to go further faster, so you can help people, because my number one goal is to serve others in the highest way. And that's why you guys became doctors, right? So that's my biggest goal right there. And that right there is my passion. So here's how we work, and here's how as I see our business, right? Have you guys ever saw this architecture building? It could be just beautiful, right? Got these beautiful buildings, windows and everything else. We're not an architecture. What we are is a civil engineer. If you know what a civil engineer is, they work on the sewers, the pipes, the sidewalks, the drains, the foundation of the business, right? What we work on is the foundation of your business. We will look at your gaps and close your gaps so you can grow your business further, faster. I believe that every medical practice has hidden millions. But here's the biggest challenge with most medical practices. They look at the big picture. They want that big, beautiful building, which is great. But they don't really build on that foundation. They don't focus on the sewers and the water and the pipes and getting stuff down. We do the nasty, dirty work. But here's the biggest thing about it is your business will grow. I guarantee it. Because all the business I work with, they grew. But here's what my thinking is right now. Have you guys ever had any type of regret about doing something or did not do anything? Let me explain to you mine. I have a huge regret. I stayed in 5 different states, right? I stayed in the state of Indiana, Illinois, state of Oregon, state of Washington, and now in California, right? When I was in the state of Oregon, they had a house that I was going to get, but of course, I didn't get it. House was going for maybe about $130,000. And if I would have got it 4 or 5 years later, the house was worth about $800,000. And that, I literally regret that because I could have used that money to do other things. The reason why I'm saying this, I don't want you to regret not coming to this next session. Because this next session is going to change your business and change your life, I guarantee it. Listen to me, I can talk forever, but I won't. But what I will say is, listen to me, the more you learn these strategies, the more your business will grow. I guarantee you. Guys, listen to me. I do have to leave right now. If you guys ever need me, give me a call, do whatever takes place. But take care and always God bless. Bye for now.